Hi, this is OurView CEO Albert Xu. Yeah, OurView is a multimedia software design company, and we're working on all the multimedia software such as H264, MP4, iMovie, Real Player, etc. Reporting on the different CPU media processors, and also for on the different platforms like Linux, Symbian, Windows Mobile, and Windows CE, etc. So today I would like to show you how the OurView software codecs can port in on HTC Touch. So let me introduce the HTC spec, and the HTC spec is around the HTC Touch used the TI Maps A50, and it's ARM9 base. It's only the 201 is only the 200 megahertz, and it has the 8 KB data cache and the 16 KB instruction cache, and is based on the Windows Mobile 6.0. And our codecs is running on the HTC Touch is MP4 exclusive. We can get the performance around the 44 frames per second. Okay, let me demo the HTC our codecs on the HTC. Okay, so for instance, the casino. Okay, so you can look at about the quality about the MP4 exclusive. This is active movie, so you can see the smoothly about the videos. It's around the 44 frames per second. We only use about the ARM core. We don't touch any DSP core because our software is based on the C code. We are not doing any the assembly instruction set optimization yet, but this is a very good performance. Okay, then I will introduce the other film. This codec is called iPlayer. Is our own player. This is a Mr. Bean film. Okay, let me put it down about here, and the camera can take it more closely. Alright, yeah. Okay, 好，听了可以。